Let's be real. Your 9 to 5 isn't cutting it, is it? You want more. More freedom, more money, more control. But there's just one problem. You live in a small town. No big companies. No crazy opportunities. So what now? Do you just settle? No way. Because today, I'm giving you 7 proven business ideas that thrive in small towns. And the best part? You don't need a fortune to start. But here's the real question. Which one is your ticket to financial freedom? Stick around and let's find out. Big cities? They've got everything. Endless job options, giant customer bases, and tons of business opportunities. Small towns? Different story. But different doesn't mean worse. It just means you need the right strategy. And that's what I've got for you. Let's start with something that turns extra space into extra cash. Business idea number 1. Selling homegrown vegetables. People love fresh local food. And if you've got land, a backyard, or even just a few planters, you can grow vegetables and fruits to sell at farmers markets, roadside stands, or even directly to restaurants. Not a gardener? No problem. Buy extra produce from local farmers and flip it for profit. This is a low-risk business with guaranteed demand because food never stops selling. And if you market it right, think organic, farm-to-table branding, you can charge premium prices. Now let's take this one step further. What's another business that lets you make money from your backyard? Business idea number 2. Raising chickens and selling eggs. Eggs. Everybody buys them. And with grocery store prices skyrocketing, people are looking for local, affordable, farm-fresh options. That's where you come in. Chickens are low cost to maintain. They keep producing eggs. And if you sell smart, you'll have customers for life. Sell to farmers markets, local stores, direct to families who want fresh eggs. And if you expand, you can start selling organic, free-range eggs at premium prices. That's 2 ways to make money from extra land. But what if you don't have any? No problem, because the next 2 ideas are for anyone with a car and some hustle. Business idea number 3. Rideshare driver. Ever noticed how hard it is to get around in a small town? No buses, no trains, just people who need rides. That's an opportunity. If your town has Uber or Lyft, sign up and start making money today. If not, create your own local driving service. Elderly people need rides to appointments. Parents need rides for their kids. People going out at night? They'd rather pay you than risk driving. And the best part? You set your hours. But what if people don't just need rides? They need errands done too. Business idea number 4. Grocery and errand delivery. People don't have time to grocery shop. Some don't have a car. Others physically can't get around easily. That's where you come in. Offer a service where you pick up groceries, prescriptions, or supplies, to special bulk trips, to stores like Costco, deliver documents for law firms, or medical samples for clinics. This is low cost to start. And once people rely on you, you'll get repeat customers every week. Now, let's shift gears. What if you could make money without leaving your house? Business idea number 5. Bed and breakfast. Here's a secret. Most small-town motels aren't great. That means visitors, wedding guests, tourists, business travelers need a better option. If you have a spare room, you can turn it into a money-making Airbnb. No hotel? No problem. People will pay for a clean, cozy place to stay. And if you're in a town with any kind of scenic views, events, or attractions, you can charge even more. But what if you could bring even more people to town and profit from it? Business idea number 6. Ecotourism. City folks love the outdoors, and your town has what they don't: fresh air, forests, rivers, mountains. You can turn that into cash by offering guided hikes or kayak tours, fishing trips, camping experiences, wildlife watching or farm tours. People pay big money for nature experiences. And guess what? You don't even need to own the land. Partner with local property owners and split the profits. And while those tourists are in town, They're looking for something else too, souvenirs with history. Business idea number 7. Antique reselling. Every small town has old stuff, but what if I told you old stuff equals money? Antiques, collectibles, vintage furniture. People will pay top dollar for it. Start by hitting up yard sales, estate sales, and auctions, flipping hidden gems on eBay or Facebook Marketplace selling, at flea markets or antique shops. No fancy shop needed, just a good eye and the right buyers. And if you build a reputation, this can turn into a full-time business. So, which one of these businesses fits you? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more small-town business ideas, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out the next video. I've got more strategies waiting for you. See you there.